Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I want to talk about just local targets for VOXEL. VOXEL USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, main targets can be relevant if this token will be still exist on a Binance. The good news, yes, this token under monitoring tag, but there is no announcement about delisting. I guess the Binance decide to delist from that vote list. You know, you remember when the people voted for some tokens which should be delisted, and now the Binance will delist BSW, the Alpaca, the Weeb token, and yes, there is no VOXEL. Yes, it's high risky token because high volatile, right? But the good news, there is no announcement about the listing. So I hope and I guess they will not delist this time VOXEL. So we will see for the future. So main targets, if everything will be okay with the VOXEL, is around for the bull run. For the bull run, guys, I guess it's $2.61, $3.01, because it's so easy to pump and so easy to dump this type of tokens. If something happen, you know, and the Binance decide to delist it later, you know, the first trouble area, it's 28 cents, 55, 90 cents. On example of Alpaca, we could see there is nothing impossible in crypto because the Alpaca pumped it the same like VOXEL from 2 cents, pump it to $1.45. This one on futures and $1.27 on spot. So guys, anything can happen with the crypto, especially with this type of low cap tokens. It's so easy to pump, and you saw this pump on Alpaca from 6 cents, like this one, to 2,000% gains, you know, in one single day, or 2,000. And after that, we saw just in a few candles, few minutes, this token dump it back minus 70%. So guys, it's just pure speculation. So let's double check on the daily time frame what's going on now with VOXEL. So if the Binance will still trade and still have this token on their platform, we will see the liquidity, you know, around, and we can still trade it. The capitulation, the VOXEL can add 1 0, right, or even 2 zeros, and we can dump to 27 level. I hope it will not happen. And I explained it, the VOXEL, the LOCA, the MOBOX. This is 3 simple tokens which can pump and dump so easy because it's so low cap tokens in gamified sector, right? So daily time frame, let's analyze only daily time frame. Global targets I showed you in the main bull run plan video for VOXEL. Updates around here I posted on my video, you know, about VOXEL recently. To all of that guys who are laughing why you closed the position too early, because a lot of people hop in here, you know, and just wrecked, you know, because take a look here. It was like minus 66% down. So even with, I don't know, with 10x leverage, it could be like minus 600% down. So it's kind of crazy, right? That's why, guys, profit is always profit. Better fix some profit and out of position in profit than just a stock or get a liquidations. So daily time frame, guys, with indicator set. Global targets, you know. Locally it was accumulation. What do we can see now? So here, this is a top, this is liquidity pool. Also, this is kind of AFRIA on a daily. No signal to sell on direction. We can form higher pumps on ADZ, you know, and continue rally to the first trouble area, FTA. It's 28.55. So this is it. If we will see the correction, you know, would be logical to see the correction here. If it's a pump, would be logical to see the correction to, let's say, I don't know, around 78. So this block, so daily gap, 4 cents and 5 cents. So would be good to see something like this one in the next few days. At the beginning of May, maybe, something like this. It would be good. But it's not necessary because we saw examples. So here, minus 0.61 low by FIP, it's going to be around the 18 low by FIP. So it's not necessary. So we should drop that low, right? On 12 time frame, you can see the correction. So just approximately like this one. So yes, it was a correction from the top on the 61 low by FIB. But yes, 4 cents 33, 540, 49. It can be the good entry, you know, for futures. But we will see, guys, if this token will be still exist on a Binance. Weekly time frame, this is just the beginning of the positive. This is accumulation, and this is just the middle. So this is not a time to out of the token. The main task for us is to see the VOXEL on the Binance. You know, take a look, guys. Trade on weekly, buy back. It's a good one. Daily, buy, take profit, sell, drop. No signal to buy, so this one is irrelevant. 12 time frame, sell, buy back. So guys, if you use my customer set, you could track everything by yourself. When you see some order flow like this one, you know, definitely I explained it. You definitely come back and grab that liquidity, 50% of this downtrend, local downtrend. So we build the liquidity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you know, over this highs, you know, someone stop losses, major stop losses, even on the spot or on the futures, you know. So take a look at the money power on the daily here. No money outflow. It's kind of interesting. No money outflow. What the news today? Voxies to be listed on DigiFinance. Voxies to start double rewards. So it's old news. I understand. So the latest news was the Voxies to be listed on DigiFinance. Nothing special, guys. Nothing new with the money outflow, only money inflow. So weekly time frame, I guess especially here. Money inflow was around 7 cents. So would be logical to see, yes, we already saw it. So probably the big guys withdraw initial deposit, but I guess we can go higher, right? To the top 28.55. Capitulation is here. I skipped the VOXEL because now it's kind of big, kind of risky to enter the position after a 355% pumps. So if we'll drop, I repeat, if we'll drop to 5 cents or 4 cents, maybe I will buy the VOXEL for futures, not for the spot. With the proper money management, risk management. Take profit, guys. Take a look weekly. I repeat again, the take profit line on the weekly, it's 23 cents 88. Exit line is 26.84. Monthly time frame, I guess there is no data. Right, at daily we rejected exit line again. So once again, the buy line on the daily now is 5 cents 25. Fundamental value 3 cents 95. 12-hour time frame, if we'll drop, you know, and form something like, you know, BART pattern, something like this one, and can drop opposite, right? So you know the BART pattern. It's a buy line, 4 cents round number. All lines are dynamic. For the value, it's 2 cents 97. So guys, all targets I showed you. This is my zone of interest. If the VOXEL will not drop to this zone of interest, I just skip it. So because I hold on the spot LOCA and MOVOX on the spot. So I can't buy every single token. And all targets I showed you globally. I highly recommend you go and check the main bull run plan and the recent video what I posted about VOXEL, I guess a week ago. If you would like to trade with my customer site, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.